Select the cube. Type S and X or S and Y to scale in the X or Y axis. Let's add the array modifier. S and Z to scale in the Z axis. Select the main node, and press Ctrl, Shift, and T together to add the PBR texture images. To use the Ctrl, Shift, T feature, we need to activate an add-on called the Node Wrangler. Let's use the Tab key to go to object mode. Ctrl A to reset all transforms. Tab to go to edit mode, 3 to face select, A to select all, and U to Smart UV project unwrap. Let's add a plane. Ctrl A to reset all transforms. In edit mode, A to select all, right-click, and S to subdivide 100 times. Select random edges like this, and bring them down proportionally. Select random vertices, and bring them down proportionally as well. In edit mode, A to select all, and E extrude upward. Let's add the Boolean modifier. Let's undo and try again. I'll create a ground plane. Press Ctrl, Alt, and numpad 0 together to set up the render view. If your keyboard doesn't have the numpad, please go to View, Align View, and align Active Camera to View. Use Shift to adjust the render angle by moving the mouse. Please watch a tutorial listed in the description to match my final render settings, as I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI setting. I'll use the sky texture. Let's turn off Use Nodes under compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. We need to either delete or hide the Boolean source mesh from the scene. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.